In this quick tutorial, the host explores a two-texture shadow method using a dual chamber palette for beginners and pros alike. A cream base delivers instant color, followed by a powder topper that locks in shade and depth at home. She recalls testing it on a windy outdoor shoot under harsh sun, where cream slipped until a tacky primer saved the look. Top tips include letting the cream set briefly, then a light powder sweep and a soft brush blend for a flawless finish. With practice, the result reads multi-dimensional on camera and invites personal expression that stays vibrant throughout the day.